Do you looking for the 6V and high voltage servo? Hi, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today I want to introduce the SA-1283SG for you guys. So this one is a special design for the 6V high torque servo. We use a different format for this. For the gear, we use a low profile gear set, and the motor we put the extra large motors, so you can get the extra torque in this size. In 6V, the speed will be 0.13 and the torque will be 30 kg in this compact size. And for the new generation, this one is SA-1283 Plus. So we including the new software, so it provides a soft start and also accept for the SSR mode. And also this one is a SA where the special gear tread, the 0.3, so it's suitable for the airplane. And also we made a stronger gear set for this. So this one is a SG, so it's a full steel gears. Okay, the new SA-1283 Plus already in the market. So please contact with a local distributor or visit SAVOX website, teamsavox.com. Thank you.